Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover talking about your daily routine. In this lesson, you will learn how to talk about your daily routine. Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
일어나다 씻다 밥을 먹다 일하다 자다.
At what time? This word means I get up at 7 in the morning. Listen.
저는 아침 7시에 일어나요.
This word means I usually eat breakfast at 8. Listen.
보통 8시에 아침을 먹어요.
This word means What did you do today? Listen.
오늘 뭐 했어요?
This word means I worked at the office and came home. Listen.
회사에서 일하고 집에 왔어요.
This word means in the evening I usually exercise. Listen.
저녁에는 보통 운동을 해요.
This word means I go to bed at 11 at night. Listen.
밤 11시에 자요.
This word means on weekends I get up late. Listen.
주말에는 늦게 일어나요.
This word means I drink coffee before going to work. Listen.
출근하기 전에 커피를 마셔요.
This word means after eating lunch, I take a walk. Listen.
점심 먹고 나서 산책해요.
Before doing. After doing. Use for before and for after an action. I read a book before sleeping. PM, evening, night. The day is divided into and 3 p.m. Batong. Used to describe habits, meaning usually. Now let's practice. Read this out loud before I do.
저는 아침 7시에 일어나요. 보통 8시에 아침을 먹어요. 오늘 뭐 했어요? 회사에서 일하고 집에 왔어요. 저녁에는 보통 운동을 해요.
Great job. Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Basic daily verbs. Asking about the day. Talking about order of events. Morning and afternoon. Read work. Practice talking about your daily routine with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorepic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.